Hello friends. Today we are working on jumps, specifically just small jumps because I think these are important to work on before you move on to bigger jumps. It's really helpful to get really good technique with just your small jumps before you go do the beautiful big things that are really fun. I know a lot of people don't like doing small jumps because honestly they're very hard. It's kind of a lot of cardio and can hurt your feet and your ankles, but we're going to try and keep this short and quick and somewhat enjoyable. First thing I want to do is actually just warm up our ankles and our feet. You can do more than this, and please warm up the rest of your body a little bit before doing this one. I'll link my warm-up video here and down below. But we're gonna do some ankle stuff, some foot stuff, and I'm trying to get this video done before the daylight leaves me. So let's just get started. You can just follow along what I'm doing, and hopefully you guys can see my feet okay. I'll try and call it out though. All right, so just follow along. Let's start by extending one of your legs and just rolling that ankle to the right. And now roll the other direction. Let's do one more count, that ankle nice and mobile. All right, switch legs, roll to the left. Or this might actually all be reversed for y'all, I don't really know, sorry. Get those toes warm, those ankles warm. And roll the other direction. One more 8 count. Okay, now we're gonna go ball of the foot, point, ball of the foot, down. Nice and slow. So ball of the foot, point, ball of the foot, down. Really try and have a strong action of pushing off the floor, ball of the foot, down. Really use those toes to push off the floor. Can we do it fast? So go ball, foot, ball, down, ball, toe, ball, keep going. Point, and down, up. Get those feet warm and strong. Let's do one more 8 count. I don't know what I'm doing with my arms right now. Good, shake it out. So we just did that a little bit, but I really want you to think about, as you do all of your jumps, that you're going through that motion of going through the ball of your foot, then you're pointing your toes, bringing it down to the ball of the foot, and then bringing it all the way down into your plie. That's a really important motion. If you can get your feet nice and strong to push you off the floor, that's how you're gonna get nice and high up into the air. Whether it's this kind of jump or it's an arabesque jump, really any kind of jump, you really wanna have super strong feet to be able to push yourself off of the floor. So I have one more thing before we actually get into jumps. And what we're gonna do is just go from a first position. You're gonna go plie, straighten your knees as hard as you can, releve up and down. Continue going plie and straighten, releve up and down. And the reason that I want you to do this is because you need to learn how to come down from the air with straight legs before you get into this plie. Because you wanna prevent yourself from going up in the air and starting to come down with bent knees and heels off of the floor. Always, 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 when you come down from the air onto the floor, you want to come through this straight leg position and then down. So we're not jumping yet, we're just going plie, straighten, releve, down, plie, straighten, releve, down, and then we're going to open it out into second position and do the same thing, plie, straighten, releve, down, and then why don't we take it into a parallel position with your feet basically hip width distance apart, and do the same thing, plie, straighten, releve, down. It never hurts to do more releves. Alrighty, friends. Make sure that you're not sticking your ribs out, that you have them closed in and you're holding your core tight. Don't forget about your upper body either. Let's go into first position and do these releves. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go, plie, straighten, up, and plie, straighten, releve, up. Keep those knees super straight up at the top and down. Plie, straighten, up, down. Let's do 3 more, or 2 more. Last one, plie, straighten, up, down. And point out to second. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go plie, straighten, up, down. Plie, straighten, and down. Make sure you're not sticking your booty out. Down and straighten, up, down. But speaking of your booty, make sure that you squeeze it up at the top. Use that turnout to keep those knees over the toes. Let's do 3 more. 2. Last one. And move into parallel first. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie, straighten, up, down. Ooh, I lost my balance. Straighten, up, down. Make sure that your knees still go straight over your toes. They're not buckling in or out. And down, straighten up, releve. Plie, straighten, up. 2 more. Last one. Good, shake it out. Okay, now we can actually move into jumps. And what I want you to think about as you're doing your jumps is that you're not constantly going down, down, down. You're using your plie as like a press down, but you're still pulling up through your chest, and then you're springing up into the air, and you're using that up to just softly land right back down. And it's not down, down, down. It's plie and up, and up, and up. My floor is really loud because I'm on the 2nd floor, so sorry about that. But we're gonna just do nice and simple from first position. I'm walking like a penguin. You're gonna do 8 jumps in first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 jumps in second position. So these are just jumps like this. In second position, you're just straightening right up from there. 8, then 4 jumps in first, 4 jumps in second, 2 jumps in first, 2 jumps in second, then 1, 1, 1, 1. This is gonna be a little bit of a heart racer. I can already feel my heart beating pretty fast. So really just make sure that you're not coming down with your booty stuck out, that you're using that core, keeping it engaged. And this is really just a huge leg workout right now. I mean, like, of course your upper body always plays a role when you're dancing, but here it's so much of your legs just pushing off the floor and getting really nice and strong. For those of you that are a little bit confused, it just looks like this. So 8 in first, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 8 in second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you bring it in from there to do 4, 2, 3, 4, then 4, then 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, if you're confused, you can watch me do it and then rewind. I'm playing the music loud so you don't hear me breathing. It's slow, just mark it first. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if that's slow for you, but it's not that fast. Here we go, are you ready? Make sure I don't hit my plant. Right here, make sure you're pulling up through your chest, your ribs are closed. All right, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In second. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then first for 4, 3, 4. Second for 4, 3. Now 2 and 2. Quick. 1, 1, 1, 1. Woo! Shake that out. Catch your breath. I'm not gonna make you do that one again. We're gonna move on. We're gonna move on to some single leg jumps. We're gonna do arabesque jumps. So you're gonna step onto, pick a side. I'm gonna go on my right side first. Step onto that leg, plie. Your weight is mostly forward on this leg, but if you still have this back leg down, and you're just gonna jump up into an arabesque. And then from here, you just step it back into like a little, it's not a coupe, it's like a B+ position. I don't know what this is. So that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna go onto one side over and over and over. If I can catch my breath. You go up and back and up and back. And you just keep going and going and going forever and ever, and then we will ultimately switch sides. And let me face the back real quick so you can see my feet. They're going plie up, step, back. Plie up, step, back. I know I'm not doing a very good job of it, but please try your best to get that leg right behind you. Don't have it way over to the side. Make sure it's crossed behind you. I'm gonna keep mine low. Feel free to get it up as high as you want. Okay, it's not too fast. It goes, just mark it. You go up and down, up and down. You ready? Let's wait for the music to come back. And 5, 6, 7, 8, go up and down, up. Really shoot that foot off the floor. Push. Nice and straight legs. Let's go. 5 and 6, 7, last one, 8, and done. Other side. Make sure I don't hit the wall here. 5, 6, 7, 8, go up and back. Push off that floor. 3 and 4, 5, try and land softly. 6 and 7, last one, 8, relax. Okay friends, we're gonna end with a little challenge combination. We're basically gonna put together everything that we just did. So you're gonna start in first position, but you're gonna jump out to second, and you're gonna do 3 jumps in second. 1, 2, 3. Then you jump to first. 1, 2, 3. Jump to second. 1, 2, 3. Back to first. 1, 2, 3. From here, you're gonna do your arabesque jumps. You're just gonna go one side, up and down, up and down. One more, and down, and place your foot back to first to do the other side. And we're gonna go straight into it. Your feet are likely gonna get very tired. Your heart's gonna be beating really fast. Just push through it. Know that this helps you progress to those bigger, beautiful jumps, and it's always good to do a little cardio. So let us try it. So once again, you're jumping in second. 1, 2, 3 in first. 1, 2, 3 in second. 1, 2, 3 in first. 1, 2, 3. Arabesque, up and down, up and down, up and down. Place your foot back to first. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Arabesque and in, arabesque and in, arabesque and in. Then collapse to the floor because you're done. Okay, it's not too fast. Remember, you jump out to second first. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. In. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your heels are down on the ground. 1, 2, 3. Arabesque. Up and down. And up and down. Last time. Place your foot to first. We're going to jump to second. You're almost there. 3. And 1, 2, 3. And second. Push off the floor. You're almost there. And arabesque. Oh, my feet are cramping. Arabesque. Up, last one. Arabesque. And relax, you're done. I'm not sure if y'all can even see me right now, but hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, because I'm dying and I'm over here dying for you guys every single day. So, you know, hit that like button. Make sure that you have subscribed and you hit the little notification bell if you want to join this little 25 days of technique journey. Please let me know in the comments what you think, any suggestions or any videos you want to see, and I hope to catch you tomorrow in my next video. Bye!